Hey Loc Loves and Friends. So today we are unboxing my Revair dryer. I'm going to be using this in the salon for my clients when I need to get them up out of there and I need to pull out some of that water. So I threw it in the car and went straight into the salon so that we can unbox this and give it a try. Clearly I'm excited about this dryer, but let's throw this hair up and get right into it. First off, let me just say that packaging is A1. Almost everything was able to be reused. Like this says get a grip. This is the base that holds the dryer, right? And these little ties were on everything. Y'all, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. I keep them in my car. Like they're actually ponytail holders. I thought that was pretty neat. But yeah, let's get into this box. Once I got it open, I was pretty impressed about the packaging. You don't have to worry about it coming possibly being damaged. They packaged it pretty well. Alright, so once inside, it came with a continuing mist spray bottle that says Revair on the side, some clips, which we do need the clips. I use these in black from time to time, so I do have them, so those came in handy. This, after reading a little bit to figure some things out, they were actually filters, a filter that goes on the side of the dryer. So here we have the base and the actual dryer, and then this little clip that clips onto the base of the dryer to hold it, and then the nozzle. All right, so normally packaging comes like each piece wrapped in like plastic, but this came in this like stocking cap material type stuff, and it was reusable. You can keep it stored in this if you want to. I did keep mine, but yeah, I did go ahead and put it together. It was fairly easy, but I did read the instructions just in case because I didn't want to mess anything up. Like, this dryer is not cheap. It's very heavy duty quality. I just wanted to make sure I put everything together properly. All right, so once I got everything put together, I did test out a couple settings. No, my hair is not wet at this moment. It is dry. Dry girl. I need to moisturize it and all, but anyway, that's besides the point. That's not what we're here for today. So I did use it on like a lower setting, like 3 or 4, and then eventually I move it up to 7. But I just wanted to see how many locks I can get in at a time, and as you can see how it's not going, that's way too many. Even though at this point the suction is pretty low, but once I move the suction up to, I think, a level 7, and if you see the button that's there on the side by my hand, that actually turns the heat on and off. So just to straighten or suction with no heat, you would turn that off, but then you can control how hot it gets by there. And I'm sorry I did not put the camera on the actual buttons to show you the suction, but yeah, once I put it at 7, I was able to go all the way up, and I think I have about 4 or 5 locks in my hand at this point. So for smaller locks, it takes long locks, it takes all the way up to 7 to get some good suction on there. I have used it on a few other clients since I've made this video. I do have great things to say about it, because it does take very little time to do with straighter textured hair. I thought it would be something that for locks would be great. However, it is very helpful when drying hair, stay closer to the end of the service when I want a client to get out of there pretty fast. But yeah, I have nothing but good things to say about it. So if you have any questions, drop them below. I do have more videos to come. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right then, bye.